Hey there, welcome to this new section of the course, and this is one of the last sections that we're having. And in this section, we're going to dive into the world of web applications with Python. And yeah, the website that you're looking at is a web application built with Python, so this is what you're going to build in this section. Now, this was built with Python and Flask, and also we're using a PostgreSQL database in here to store the data. And then we use Heroku to deploy the application online. And yes, you see this is online now and it can be accessed through this URL. Now what this does? It's simple, but you can modify it and do whatever you want with that. In my case, what I did is, I'm asking the visitors to enter their email address and their height. And what the application will do is once it gets this pair of data from the user, it sends the data to the database, to the server, and then it calculates the average height of all the users that have been submitted data so far. And then it sends the average to the user that just submitted their email address. So it sends the average height by email to the user. So all this is automatic. And yeah, let me test this. So you may want to pass your email address there and your height. This also has some restrictions. You cannot pass a height of more than, let's say, 3 meters. And you press submit. And yeah, once that is successful, the user will be sent to a success page. So they get the confirmation that their submission was successful, and that the user will get an email to their email address, email account. So I send my height using my Hotmail address, and here is the email that I got. And I'm using my Gmail address to send emails to the users, and I used my Hotmail address as a visitor. And yeah, you get this email automatically, so the height that I entered there was 176, and this is the average height. And yeah, that's some sort of confirmation email. And it also gives you the number of people that have been registered this far. So yeah, that's the application that you're going to build. I encourage you to really learn how to do this. This is quite interesting, and you learn a lot from this. You learn how to store data in a database from your web application and send data via email to users, and so on. So let's keep going, and I'll talk to you in the next lecture.